Hey, good morning on this Wednesday, hump day. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live. We're going to go over opening bell, all three markets, and hopefully maybe figure out where these things are going today. So back at 9:30, we were talking about opening bell. I got in a little, it was running up, and I decided to get in a little early, I guess. And if I would have waited just even at market 14 uh, gets us up to, I mean, literally it touched the four sigma. So 14 almost does 10 points. Now, if I would have gotten in on a limit order at 1350, we do get 10 points. So I'm in a way, I mean, our call was long. Our fearless leader wasn't here this morning. So I don't know what the indicators are saying, but I would have chosen long just based on how everything was looking. Pretty self-explanatory. You know, you don't have any lower lows. The general trend is up. The big key was to break this 1850 double tap. And once it did, it launched. So even if you missed the first, 10 minutes and you got in here at 39.16, we were talking about on this candlestick, that's a beautiful pop after that, 39.16 to 23. I mean, that gives you almost 7 points right there. So looking at we're back below the 10 period right now. This looks like it's making a move, but we'll discuss the bigger term picture, see possibly where the dailies end up. And I'm going to make a prediction here. Not sure if it's going to happen. So I discussed last night that we would probably kick over, come up and touch, maybe go up to the 39.18, but most likely kick here to the trend line and then come down and go to this 38.80. Now it's hard to know. We're in an inside day yesterday. So far, we're in an inside day. So the minute that we break below 38.90, 38.80 is in the cards, and maybe even down to the S2. It's going to be hard. Randy and I talked this morning about the 39.33 seems in the cards. Now where we end up, I'm having this blue dot here. We could end up down, right in the middle, or we could end up down right at the line or the trend line down here. So it's really hard. This one's tough when you got shrinking, daily candlesticks. It's going to pinch down and most likely stay in the middle. So until this breaks out, that's my call. And we'll look at the other markets right now. Just one quick note, we were well above the 10 period, the 10-day moving average, and we've had 4 closes below it. So does this close back below it? I'm kind of leaning more towards that, but we'll find out. So of all the charts, to me, this one looked the most bullish yesterday. Last night we closed. I thought we would kick down, go down and touch 12.920-ish, and then zoom up. Instead, we went up first, and now we're coming back down. So still, we've been above the 10 period moving average for 10 day for a long time. Are we going to get down and touch the 920? Looks like it, but I still potentially see this end of day, up in this arena, like right there. Are we going to be able to touch this 13.4 today? Right now, it doesn't look possible, but I'm still looking for a turnaround right here. It might wick a little bit below to the Bollinger, but then, coming back up by the end of the day, testing this. So I know that's a bold call, but we shall see. Let's just see if there's anything on the 60. We are down at the bottom here. I might get in long right there. M2K, or sorry, 4 hour. We got some spots right. We're almost there. So I think this might be it. But man, we have not been able to get above the 4 hour 200 period. So that's going to be something to watch. We've got a couple dojis there too. All right. So right now, still thinking long. Oh, this does not look like a long chart. And lastly, the Russell. The Russell has been bearish. Now, is this where we have the turnaround, or do we have one more day where we end up and touch the bottom of the channel and then turn around? So I'm either going to be way off or right on this. So let me do one quick thing. So I know that this is kind of cheating a little bit, but I just have a feeling we're either going to be, down in this arena at the end of the day, or we're going to be up in this arena. So I still think, as I said last night, that we're going to kick over. We're going to go up and touch the channel or the S2 and then be back down here by the end of the day. Maybe all the way down to the 2 sigma, which is this pink line. So we shall see. Let's look real short term. on the 1 hour. We're way below the 200 period, and the 5 minute is the only thing that looks a little bit bullish right now. So short-term bullish, long-term bearish. So thanks for watching and listening to Futures to More and Futures Networks Live. We made 10 points positive on the MES. We made positive points on the M2K. We ended up getting in at 06, sorry, and we went up to 16. So 10 points on the MEN, on the Russell, but we lost on the NAS because I have no idea why this went super short, but I was playing it long and we lost on that one. So, but positive points. All right. Thanks for being here. Have more coming. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the other side. Have a good day.